Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my review, and today we are gonna talk about the Vivo sub-brand IQ, which is gonna launch its smartphone really soon in the months coming ahead. So it was rumored that the smartphone will be the IQOO Youth Edition, but the recent reports suggest that the smartphone name is going to be Vivo IQOO NEO with the model number Vivo V1914A, which has already been spotted in 10 certification site. So this is just confirmed, guys. So we have also seen the teaser of the smartphone, which suggests that it is going to have a water drop notch display, so we are not going to see any pop-up or flip camera solution in this one, and a triple rear camera setup which is vertically aligned on the left top corner. So this is quite good thing and according to the trend which is rocking in the market. And also the report suggests that the device is going to have a in-display fingerprint scanner, and in terms of the design, it is leaked is the design will be of gradient pattern that look like it is covered in glass is revealed in its official teaser, and more rugged and patterned option is revealed on 10 today. And also the dimensions and the battery size of the device is leaked, and which is just confirmed, so there is nothing about rumor or anything else, so you can just take it as a confirmed specs. So the device dimension is 59.53 by 75.23 by 8.13 and a 6.38-inch display of unknown resolution, and 4500 milliampere hour battery listed as 4420 milliampere hour. And also another thing that Vivo has just teased a 5G mobile and its latest fast charging solution of 120 watts. So they are gonna showcase all these things on the same day. So we are not quite sure that whether the Vivo IQ Neo will be the device to debut a 120 watt super flash charger with it. So if this happens, then the device is expected to be charged in just 13 minutes, but we are not quite sure about which charging solution they will provide. But a 120-watt super flash charge is going to be launched from Vivo on the launch date of the Vivo IQ Neo. So this is all for today, guys. If I find any other further information about these or any such devices, then I will obviously report you in the channel. Then till my next video, peace.